Girl, if I can't play the guitar, 넌 오그라드는 걸 싫어하니까는 절대 촛불을 100개 밝혀놓고 널 밤에 불러내서 노래하는 일은 안 해.
It is our last day here in the Philippines. We're leaving right now actually. We already packed everything up. So yeah, but I think our flight is in the night. We're still gonna like eat a bit with our family. But I'm really sad. I want to stay here for longer. Jollibee in Philippines for the last time. Should we wish happy feet? This Dune part 2. Oh look, they have my sweet piano stuff now.
Wait, I'm gonna get this one. That one's no. This one.
They have Maca Paca. Look, Maca Paca.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, go. Why? Just do it.
It's a horse.
Oh, is it?
Oh wait.
Wait, what is that?
It's a different. Oh, that's a horse.
Oh,
It's a horse.
we have that already.
Yeah, we do.
The next box. Oh, girl. Is it the walrus?
Please, no.
We already have like 2 of those. Oh, we already have that.
Let's see.
The next one. Let's see. Oh, it's green. It's something different.
It's a caterpillar.
Wait, what if it's
the frog?
it's the frog? Oh, wait. That's a chameleon? This is the last one. What is that?
That's a coon.
Oh, wait. Oh my god.
So cute.
Wait, this is so cute.
It's a coon.
This is so cute. Wait. Mermaids on top. This is the only one. Cute. Louisa. Ooh, that's cute. These are kind of cute. Wait. so cute on my bag. Hey guys, you probably missed my holes like this in my room, but my tripod is like somewhere in the luggage and I don't want to look for it right now, which is why the angle is kind of weird. But I have a bunch of packages piled up from the past month I was away. Some of them are PR, some of them I got myself. I've been waiting so long to open them. To be honest, I can't even remember what half of these are. This was PR. I got some jogging pants with bows on the side. These are cute. They're cuffed at the bottom though, but it's okay. This is, oh wait, it's the wrong way. This is a cute little top. Actually, I got this already, but I lost it and I cannot find it. Even after like rearranging the layout of my room, I could not find this top, but I really wanted to wear it, so I got it again. Recently, I've been obsessed with gingham. So here is this red gingham little baby doll top. Actually, this package, why am I so low? Actually, this package arrived a bit late because I was meant to wear all of this for my holiday. Like, doesn't this give like summer vibes? So these are shorts with little bows on the back. I was also meant to bring this with me to my holiday. I think all the clothes I was meant to bring with me. I have so many dresses that look like this. Oh my gosh, I literally have a dress that looks exactly like this. Like nearly exactly like this. So the thing is about this package is that I emailed them the stuff I wanted a few months like before my holiday, but they didn't see it until I was like 3 weeks into my holiday. So this dress, I actually have a dress that's like very similar, but I ordered it on yesstyle. So now I have 2 dresses that look like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So that's everything here. I got some like little stuff on AliExpress so I could decorate my bag, like ribbon, lace, whatever. So let's open this. Oh, it's my little fish cake keychain. Cute. This is my carabiner. They put like keychains on. It's a heart. Okay, this is my ribbons. So this one is like, you can't really see it, but it's like a pink gingham ribbon. And this one is just like a regular white lace one. Okay, I have 2 more packages. Ooh, so these are my little fake glasses. Let's try them on. Ooh. These have like no prescription, so I literally can't see anything with these. So these are just for costume purposes. This is a skirt. It has 2 layers on it. So this first layer here is covered up with like, I don't know, shorts. And then the bottom layer is like sheer. This is the final thing, and it's my PR package from chuchucherry, and I'm pretty sure it's the Chika album, the Japanese one. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wait. Gorgeous. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. This is the CD. Can't wait. Ooh. So these two I think are photo cards. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I knew it was gonna be Bombyu because I chose Bombyu. Oh my gosh, this is a photo card. Okay, ignore my overgrown nail. But the blush. So there's another little photo card here. 3, 2, 1. Bombyu again. Okay, I don't know why I'm like shocked, but oh my god. And this is the actual CD. Little bit of ASMR. Oof. This is what the CD looks like. This is the lyric book. Will Never Change. Such a good song. Like when I heard it, I was low-key crying. Okay, Deja Vu Japanese version, Kitojuto, and that's it. I love this concept. A winter concept in the summer. Okay, that was everything that was waiting for me at home. Thank you to my neighbor for keeping all my packages safe. Now we're gonna move on to the haul from today. So first, as you guys know, I have a new little keychain on my bag, and it's this little new Labubu. It's so cute. Okay, I got these cute little stickers from Ichiba because I ate there. And look at them, they're holding like strawberries and it has like clover, and it's just super cute. Oh yeah, and I took a photo booth picture of myself because I wanted to make memories with my pink hair. Well, not really pink, just like my pink highlights before they fade. Then I got this free Tamagotchi pin because Ichiba's doing a collaboration with Tamagotchi. So now I'm gonna do a book haul. Yay! I got 2 books today. So I have The Ballad of Never After. Actually, I haven't even started Once Upon a Broken Heart. Like, I haven't had time. I haven't even finished Finale yet. I find it funny because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna read so much. I brought 2 books as well. The only time I read was like on the first flight. After that, I did not touch those books again. I think I was just too busy and I was like too lazy to read. But now I'm back. I'm gonna continue my reading streak. So I have The Ballad of Never After for when I finish Once Upon a Broken Heart. And I have Last Violent Call by Chloe Gong. And it's really tiny, so I'll probably finish this in like maybe a day, 2 days. So yeah, that's everything. Now I need to tidy up everything. I'll see you, I don't know when I'm gonna film again, but I'll see you guys soon.